So we obviously, from Tekmetric, we love Tekmetric and think it's great. What do CPAs love about Tekmetric?
CPAs love Tekmetric because it makes their lives easier and they can deliver a better product to their clients. Cloud-based solution where we can directly access the information from the Tekmetric system. That's one big benefit. The integration into QuickBooks Online, another huge benefit. And finally, the precise cost metrics that they have within the software gives us great opportunity to create a very good, clean P&L for our clients.
Awesome. I do hear that feedback a lot of times from accountants. We get accountants that will call into our teams and say, hey, I'm looking, I need to figure out this information, and their minds are blown whenever we tell them, hey, you can just log on wherever you are at. You don't have to go to the actual shop to log in, and you can drill down into the detail in many of our reports and find the information for yourself without even having to reach out to the owner or the shop to see what's going on.
Absolutely. It also gives us the opportunity to start working on their books as soon as the month ends. And that means we can turn around a P&L to them within the first few days of the month. And they can make accurate, timely decisions on your business with that readily available information.
Sounds like a win-win.
Yep.
For more information or getting a demo, reach out to our sales team. If you're an existing customer and need support, then go ahead and reach out to our support team anytime.
If you need tax, accounting, or business advisory help, feel free to reach out to us at Kaizen CPAs and Advisors.